Hello ladies, welcome back to another episode of Girl Classic with you. It's still your girl again, Blessing. Welcome back to this channel where we talk about everything that has to do with your skin wellness, your skin beauty, and how you can get a scintillating skin. So in today's episode, girls, I'll be reviewing a face cream. So this face cream I'm going to be talking about is specifically designed for people who have certain issues. So it's not for everybody really. So if you want to know the people that this face cream is meant for, make sure you stick around to the very end of this video, because I'll be telling you the category of people that should be using the face cream, what this face cream does, and how to use it, right? You always know that on this channel we're just passionate about your skin. We want you to look beautiful on budget, right? You don't have to break your bank account to look beautiful. You just have to be rational about it and know what to use and when to use it. That's just the secret of skin beauty or skincare routine. So you don't really need to be using your body as experiments, but just know what works for you and stick to it. So girls, let's quickly dive into it. This facial cream is specifically designed for people who have sunburn, who have maybe dark spot, or your body is darker than your face, like you've been trying to even out your facial tone and it's been a whole lot of work for you. Any type of product you use doesn't work. Is that giving you an issue, or it doesn't even just clear that dark face for you? Now this product has the potency to do that. Yeah, which product am I talking about? It's no other than this one here, which is called the Skin Aqua Arbutin Niacinamide Whitening Face Cream. Yeah, so most people have been using their SPF, or what is known as sunscreen, for the longest of time. Yeah, I know them in the industry for doing that. So they have a face cream, yes, and this face cream really is packed with a lot of beautiful ingredients that addresses different skin issues. So I'm going to be reading out the ingredients in this face cream, then we're going to look at what it fixes, and then we'll talk about how to use it, right? So let me read out from the pack. It says that it contains arbutin, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, glutathione, and collagen. Girl, you can, let me read it out again, maybe you did not hear. It contains arbutin, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, glutathione, and collagen. So these 5 ingredients are powerful ingredients to get a well or even tone, yeah, well nourished and even tone. I'm going to be telling you the work of all these active ingredients so that you know why I said this particular face cream addresses a lot of issues. Alpha arbutin is a lightening ingredient, is a lightening agent. It lightens the skin gradually and safely. The work of alpha arbutin, or arbutin as it is well known, is that it gradually fades uneven tone. It also fades dark mark, and over time or over a long period of usage, arbutin has the potency to transition your skin from 1 to 5. When I say 1 to 5, it can lighten and even whiten your skin. So that is the work of arbutin. It fades hyperpigmentation, fades dark spot, clears sun damage or sunburn, and all that. Now niacinamide does that similar job as well. Niacinamide clear blemishes, unevenness. If you have wrinkle, niacinamide does that. Niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3. That's the work of niacinamide. Over time, it's even your skin tone, clear rashes, clear dark spot, all those scars maybe as a result of pregnancy and all that. Niacinamide will help you clear all those scars that pregnancy, rashes, or acne has left on your skin. So that is another beautiful reason for you to use this product if you fall in this category. Now the next ingredient is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid does the work of moisturizing. It's a moisturizing ingredient. It does trap water molecule to your skin, thereby giving your skin the supple and soothing finishing, right? It helps to trap in moisture and ensure your skin is plump and healthy all the time. Now collagen is also a skin barrier complex. Yeah, it helps nourish your skin, helps to grow or generate new skin cell turnover. That is what collagen does. It generally nourishes your skin, acts as a barrier complex, and at the same time make your skin look youthful and glowing. So that's why the category of people that should use this face cream are people who have dark spot, who have wrinkle, who have sun damage. If you have all this sunburn that appear here or anywhere here that would not leave your face, you can go for this particular face cream. It's going to whiten it. Guys, I'm not doing advert for these people. I don't even have affiliation with them. I always say any brand I talk about on this channel, no, it's not a promotion, neither is it an affiliate marketing. It's just me coming to tell you what would work for you. So if you're looking to whiten your face, right, within a shortest period, say within 3 to 4 weeks, right, or maybe you're going for an event and you just want your skin to glow within the shortest time possible, go for this cream. And another thing I love about this Aqua Skin Aqua is because it is very moisturizing. Like, there are some face cream that you use that you feel this dryness after using them. From the reviews I've gotten, people that have used this face cream say it moisturizes. You feel this moisture even after 16 to 24 hours. Your face still feel moisture, so you don't have this dryness as a result of using it, because most lightening products tend to dry up your skin, that we know for a fact, but this one would not do that. Yeah, another beautiful thing that I love about this product is that it has SPF 50. Yeah, you know the brand is known for SPF so they loaded it in this face cream, so you don't need to worry to go and start getting SPF 50 or SPF to, you know, add to this. So it comes fully packed with SPF. So that's another thing I love about it. Now, it's mildly scented, so if you're somebody who doesn't like scents, don't feel bad, because this one is not really choking. The scent is bearable. It's not really, you know, the type of scent that will throw you off balance. And then finally, another thing I love about this product is that it is non-sticky. When I mean it is non-sticky, it's not this type of moisturizer that you use and it just be sitting on top of your skin. No, it's going to absorb very well, and it is lightweight. So when you use it, you don't feel this heaviness, you don't feel this tackiness, you don't feel, oh, I'm putting on palm oil type of cream or granite oil type of face cream. No, so this one gets the job done, really. And you can imagine the price, girl. It retails between 4,000 to 6,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. Come on, the price is very affordable, so it's not really expensive. And the size is 50 ml, right? And you know, most face cream come in that size. I have not seen any face cream that is above 50 ml. Okay, maybe there is, but generally most face cream come 30 ml, 50 ml size bottle. So this one is 50 ml. But really, I tell you, it's value for money, because it will so clear your skin. Now, if you're using this product, I would say you don't use it every day. Start with a patch test. See if your skin tolerates it. You can start with maybe somewhere under your chin or those areas, maybe somewhere around your forehead, close to your hair, and see what you get from it. Now, if you notice that it's giving you reaction, you want to stop it. But if it doesn't give you reaction, fine, you can proceed with using it. It's good. And then you use it like, say, 3 to 5 times a week, not every day. And once you get the results you're looking for, I would advise you take a break. So if you've used this, say you've used like 2 bottles, I would advise you stay away for it for like a month or 3 weeks, then come back to it. That's a way to get the best result from all this whitening product, because they can thin out your skin, so you want to use them with sense. Yeah, so that would be my advice for you. And girl, if you have used this product, let me know your opinion in the comment section. Did it really whiten you, or it's just a bobo? When I mean bobo, overly hyped. Yeah, do not forget to subscribe if you've not done so now. Click on that notification bell on your screen right now, so that when I drop videos like this, you'll be the very first person to be notified. Yeah, so girls, on this note, I'll be drawing a curtain in today's video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Until I come your way next time, still your girl again, Chifo. Clock it.